That's why I kuan. Yes, it's true. I kuan I try my best to get my monetization in my YT, in my YouTube. So that someday I cannot use firewood. Someday I use gas stove to turn around when you want to cook. I like drinking coffee too. I'm getting ready to drink some coffee too. I like to drink coffee. I drink coffee all the time. Oh, really? Coffee is for I think coffee is not good for health when you drink all the time. I drink coffee every morning only one time. Ay, ayusin ka hilaw. Dito ra mo, anak. Play ra ka sa imong toys adto ka.
Di ko play toys. Umapa mo.
Sim, only 1 cup coffee in this morning. Yes. Ono Vlog, good morning po. Good morning, Ono Vlog. Because others said that when you drink coffee all the time, you feel like nervous. Nervous. Joseph seems like small guy just testing his grammar. No ba? Joseph Rain, you're very pretty here. Thank you, Joseph Rain. Oh, kaang ka ni saging? Oh, okay. Loto tana. Dan. I want to kuan guys, relax first. I feel very tired. I woke up very early in the morning to do my housework. I have a full of housework today. Kaong ka? Oh. Apat si. Hi, Florento. Ito, kuya. Kuya, ayaw, maguba na. Yes, coffee has caffeine. Yes, Donnie, that's why we feel nervous when we drink all the time coffee.
Mama.
Dili na, mama live, mama. Don't disturb me. Maglungag pa ta saging. You want this? Okay. My eldest son asking me to cook the banana because he want to eat banana. Sana may nalito. Siya, nung sana na siya na.
Yan dyan malabot. Yan dyan labot mo. Gawin ko siya.
Whatever. Dato sabi. Kids drive you crazy. No, my eldest son asking me to borrow the phone. Then I cannot forgive him because I do lie.
Yeah.
Larry Gibbs, good morning.